Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cash App Afterpay on DoorDash. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up Afterpay and search up DoorDash, and I want you to get DoorDash gift cards. They have different denominations, so come here, click on DoorDash gift cards. You can click on this drop down and choose your denomination that you want. How much worth of gift cards that you want to buy. Let's say $200, and this will be split into 4 payments of $50 with Afterpay. You can buy this for yourself or send to a friend as well. You just enter the details, first name, last name, email, confirm that, and hit confirm. And they'll send you to your email the gift card. And then what you do is you go to DoorDash, come here and redeem your gift card. Redeem it to your account, and then you can go ahead and spend that amount. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.